Okay, like I said, here's the home on Freewater neighborhood. Neighborhood looks very well taken care of, even though there's no HOA. There's some people in here, so I'll try to keep them out of the video, but okay, right and walk in, you got the laundry room, the garage. Alright, garage is pretty standard size. Do have a little extra area on the sides, I think, but nothing special. Right, as we walk into the front, you have your kitchen to the left. Nice little breakfast nook area. Floors. Little vault ceiling, space on top of the cabinets. Farm scene, stainless steel washer and dryer, pantry. Like I said, this house looks to be rent ready, so you wouldn't have to do anything to rent it out. But whenever you're ready to move in, you could vaulted ceiling again. Whenever you're ready to move in, you could definitely do some changes. There's people behind me, so I'm gonna go to the backyard real quick. You get a little covered patio here, but then you also got some extra space where you could put in something. The pictures make the backyard look a little bigger than it really was on this side. But if I go around on this side, you do have a lot more room. So let's back up here. Get a full picture of the backyard. It's the back of the house. So you got room to put a pool in over here on this side between these two trees, but you'd have to take maybe some of that out or add to it. So go back into the living room. Fireplace is a gas fireplace, and I'll walk this way to keep them out of the video. You got a guest bath right here. Okay, and then you got your master bedroom. A nice big window for natural light. Carpet looks good. Got a little vault to the ceiling. You get a windowsill seat, which I always love. And the master bath. Just put it back in. Yeah. Shower. And again, it's not updated completely. It's got gold, which is not really an update, but it is very clean and ready to live in. So you could do those upgrades over time, or like I said, I could have my guy come in and knock it all out at once. Closet space. Not a huge closet, and there's just the one, but let's go around here. Back to the living area, dining area, got the hole through the kitchen, which I like, a little serving area. Oh, let's get a view of up here. Here's your upstairs area. And there's a view of the downstairs living room, which is a nice size. And then you got a little nook area for an office or, you know, whatever you'd want to use this area for. And like I said, all the fixtures are clean and nice, but they're all a little dated, so that might help us not have to fight so many people in this house because of that. But I think you could easily put 25 grand into it and make it exactly how you want it. With just some counters, flooring, fixtures, because everything else looks really nice. And your two upstairs bedrooms. All the carpet looks to be new or very well taken care of. The rooms are decent size for guest bedrooms. Got a cool little double window, a lot of light in this room. And you got new fixtures in the bedrooms up here, but not downstairs, which is strange. And a closet that's pretty standard for a guest bed. And that's pretty much the house. I don't see any foundation issues, cracks. Doors all shut fine. It looks to be pretty solid. Just in need of some taking away the gold, really. You don't even really need to paint it. Maybe some kitchen counters. But all in all, I think it's a pretty nice house. Let me walk back out here. The front door.